How to add Snapchat filter to existing photo. So the steps are so simple to add Snapchat filter to existing photo. Now open Snapchat, go to this gallery to upload the picture, go to camera roll, go and upload the picture now. Go and search for the picture from your device. I'll use this one. After you select the picture like this, now tap on this arrow. So now swipe your hand like this. So now as you can see, here is the filter section. Go and select the filter you want to add. So after you select the filter you want to add to your photo, now if you want to add the photo to your Snapchat story, tap on this section. You can tap on this section to send the picture to your Snapchat account, or you can tap on this export to download the photo. Download button. Now the picture is downloading to my phone. That's it guys on how to add Snapchat filter to existing photo. Please like and subscribe.